Alright, what is up YouTube? Today's video is going to be about stopping dandruff and dry scalp. Now me, I'm a person that suffers from both of those, and I'm going to just share some things with you guys that help me out. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that your hair is moisturized properly. You want to keep your hair moisturized because that's going to alleviate the dry scalp. When I first got my hair transplant, I couldn't use any type of conditioner. I could only use the shampoo that they gave me, which was like some trash baby shampoo. So I could only use the shampoo for the first maybe like 2 weeks, and my scalp was so freaking dry. Like it was just ridiculously dry. And when I was a kid, I had the same problem because I never used conditioner. Like we just always just shampoo and that was it. There was no people like men didn't use conditioner and leave-ins and stuff like that. Thankfully, we've come a long way as far as like natural hair, products and stuff like that. But back in the day, it was just shampoo and that was it. So I would go to the barber shop and the barber would be so pissed when I got in his chair because he already knew it was a sandstorm coming. Cause yeah, but anyways, so yeah, so the first thing I would say to you guys is make sure your hair is properly moisturized, um, and also wash your hair frequently. I wash my hair every 3 days. I notice the longer that I go without washing my hair, I am more likely to get the dry scalp slash dandruff. It's kind of they're different, but they're kind of like caused by the same thing. Um, my conditioner of choice is the Trader Joe's Tea Tree Tingle. You get this at Trader Joe's for $3.99. Really good conditioner. I recommend you guys try this out if you haven't. The second thing that's really helped me with my dry scalp and dandruff is aloe vera juice. This is a really good product. So I put this in a spray bottle, just straight up aloe vera juice. I don't dilute it. I put this in a spray bottle and I use the spray bottle. So like I'll shampoo and condition my hair, and before I put on my styling product, I'll take the spray bottle with the aloe vera juice and I'll just spray my whole head. And I feel like it's just more moisturizing than just straight up water. And also, the pH is on the lower side. So water has a pH of like 6, 7. This has a pH of, I want to say, either like a 4. Um, so this helps like close the cuticle a little bit, smooths the cuticle, and also it helps with dry scalp a lot. So I would definitely recommend using aloe vera juice instead of just straight up water in your spray bottle. The third thing that has really helped me with my dandruff is finding the right shampoo. Um, I don't use like any type of medicated shampoos or like any Head and Shoulders. Um, but yeah, finding the right shampoo really helps because you want to find something that's uh, makes your hair clean, but at the same time doesn't like strip it of all the oils and stuff like that. Because dry scalp and dandruff is kind of caused by, in my experience, two things: dry scalp or product buildup. Okay, so if you know you don't have product buildup and you know your hair isn't dry, that's going to alleviate a lot of your issues. And if you have like something medical, then you probably need to go see a doctor. But in my experience, this has helped me out. Um, but the shampoo that I use is Kinky Curly Come Clean. This is like my go-to shampoo, my number one shampoo. I will not be without this. It's $9.99 at Target. It's a really good shampoo. People consider it a clarifying shampoo because it has phytic acid and sea salt in it. And what those ingredients are good for is like chlorine, hard water. So this is gonna get everything out of your hair without stripping it of all the moisture. And also, this product is sulfate free if you care about that. I used to be big on sulfate free shampoos and stuff like that, but to be honest, I don't really care. I look for performance over sulfate free or whatever. But this shampoo is really, really good. This shampoo, I haven't had dandruff. Uh, well, really, it's a combination of all three things, I would say, but this has really helped the shampoo. So to recap, if you are suffering from dry scalp and dandruff, make sure you are washing your hair on a regular basis, once a week, twice a week, whatever your hair is telling you to do. Um, Make sure you are moisturizing your hair. Get you a conditioner, a deep conditioner, whatever. But make sure you're conditioning your hair every time you wash it, putting the moisture back in your hair with some type of conditioner. Don't just shampoo your hair and then walk about the house, because your scalp is gonna be dry. And the third thing is the aloe vera juice. Oh, let me turn it around. Yes, the aloe vera juice. You can get this. This is actually, I got this at Trader Joe's actually, but you can get, they have a Walmart brand, Fruit of the Earth. You can get it at Walmart for like $5 or $6. So this is very inexpensive, and this is a big gallon of it. So this will last you months. But anyways, that's those are my tricks for helping with dry scalp and dandruff. Hope you guys learned something. Make sure you subscribe, leave a comment, leave a like, and I'll talk to you guys later.